A big little house. Sit down on a private lane away from the traffic noise, but so handy to town, sits number 1 Willard Court, a 1990s townhouse that enjoys its own 409 square metre freehold section. The living space here is bound to impress. The large lounge features lofty ceilings, while the adjoining sunroom is a cosy place to curl up with a book or could be used as an extra bedroom for visitors. The spacious theme of this great home extends to the sleeping arrangements too, with 2 double bedrooms. The heat pump offers year-round comfort, and the internal access garage allows simple, all-weather access. Nice and easy. Give Joe a bell today to arrange your viewing of this fabulously big little house. Joe Keddie at Property Brokers Fielding. Contact Joe anytime on 027 663 1945.